Hello, how are you students? Good morning. Today we are going to start new practical. Today we'll study about how to downloading of various Android application for cell phone. Aim of the practical is to download various Android application for cell phone equipment Android cell phone. Theory regarding Android cell phone. Cellular telephone is a modern telephone system in which it provides link for mobile user to public telephone system. In this communication system, exchange of information takes place with the help of the radio waves. Applications are created by programmer to fulfill the specific task. In order to use apps, you have to install and store them on the device you use. You can interact with apps in various ways, including typing in text, tapping icons and items, sweeping your finger through them. By using apps, you can listen music, map your location, play games, watch video, etc. Everything can you Everything you can do on your Android phone through the apps. There are many sources for Android apps such as App Store, Amazon, etc. Best place to get Android apps in the Play Store. Google sells apps here along with other content like books and movies. You are required to provide credit card or other payment information if you want to purchase app. First, first let open the Play Store. Tap the apps icon in the button right of the home screen. Swipe left and right until you find the Play Store icon. Tap it. The first time you tap here, you may be prompted to sign in your Google credential and payment information. It will also prompt you to allow backup of app to your Google account and require you to accept the terms and condition. Searching for Android app. Tap the app icon on the home screen. It usually looks like a bundle of dots at the bottom of the screen. Swipe left and right until you find the Play Store icon. Tap it. Tap the magnifying glass in the right top and type the name of the app you are looking for. Result will be presented for apps, movies and books. To the right of the apps subheading, tap the more button to see the full listing of the result. Tapping the three dot on the right side of each entry will provide option to install right away or add the apps to a wish list for future references. Tapping the box itself will provide more details for that apps, including screenshot, video, a description and reviews from user like you. Installing Android app. Tap the install button at the top to start downloading. You will be prompted to provide certain devices permission for the installation to continue. Ongoing download. The ongoing downloads and installation will show an icon in the notification bar at the top of the screen. Swipe down from the top for a details look. Once the download and installation are completed, you can tap the open button in the Play Store listing or tap the icon from the notification tray to open your app. Otherwise, the app will be accessible by tapping the app icon in the button of your home screen. Assuming an icon has not already been put on your home screen. Conclusion. Method of installation of various Android application on cell phone is studied. There is assignment for you. Write in your copy and show me in next period. What is the necessity of cellular phone? Why, what do you mean by GSM? What is mean by CDMA? Which technique is used in cellular phone? Explain how various Android applications are downloaded on cellular phone. Thank you. Thank you, student. Meet you in next period. Bye.